Alright, so I'm going to do these constructions. I've got my pencil, my ruler, and my compass. Okay, the first one says, draw a perpendicular bisector to these two line segments. So here's the line segment. The perpendicular bisector will cut it down the middle and be perpendicular. So it would be like that. This one would be like that. But we construct it by making a little angle, a radius, sorry, here and here. Whoops, make sure I'm on the end. And same radius on this side. And where those two cross over, we join them up. So this line is perpendicular, and this side are the same length. Okay, quickly do the same thing over here. So point on the end, arc here, and this one. Hey, I forgot to say, this radius can be anything as long as it's more than halfway along. Could be anything, and then as long as you don't move it, keep it the same. Okay, there we go. Perpendicular bisector. Okay, bisect these two angles. Get compass, any radius, stick it on here, draw a little arc, and then from where the arc touches the line segment, another arc, and another arc. Just make sure your radius is the same for both these two arcs. At that point there, we'll bisect that angle. So this here is the same as this here, and they're half of the big one. Okay, exactly the same thing over here. Might need a slightly bigger radius. Let's see. Do an arc. Oh. Okay, don't have to draw it the whole way. I can just draw that much. Okay, make a bigger radius. Arc up here. Oops. Arc up there. There we go. That was a little bit more difficult than I thought it would be. But there we go. Join it up. So these two angles are the same. Okay. Redraw triangle ABC so that AB is in the new position. So it's like we're going to turn this around. So this will be A and this will be B. And what we do is we use the compass to measure. So AC is this long. See, AC is that long. So we put an arc there. And BC is this long. We put an arc there. And that's where the new C is. And we make sure we label everything so we're all good to go. And so I communicate what I understand and what I know. Okay. On the back of the sheet, use a compass to divide a line segment into 4 equal parts. Here's my line segment. Let's just double check. Let's make it 8 long. So that's easy numbers. So just like before, I'll use my, whoops, almost forgot, perpendicular bisector here to get, right, 2 equal parts. So that's 2 equal parts. Now we want 4 equal parts, and each of them should be 4, by the way. Yep, perfect. We just do the same thing, but here. So divide that. Come on, son. Like that. Yep, and do the same thing over here. Okay. And then join them up. I got 4 equal parts. Okay, so this one, this one, this one, and this one are all 2 centimeters long. Okay, the last thing says, use a compass and ruler to construct an equilateral triangle and a rhombus. Okay, equilateral triangle, let's just draw a little line, and then if we get the length of that line, draw an arc this way, length of that line, draw an arc this way. There's your equilateral triangle. You got 3 sides the same. Okay, kids are coming, I've got to finish this real quick. To make this a rhombus, I just do the same thing on this side. But actually, to do a rhombus, let me just get this. Just put some line in the middle. Doesn't matter. There's one angle there, and one angle there. Okay. Now when you join them up, that side and that side are the same length, and they're parallel to each other. That side and that side are the same length. That is a rhombus. Mic drop.